Friends, today we are going to discuss about the graph of the linear equation in two variables. Our first question is x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 4. So what we have to do it, as in the previous class we are finding out the solutions. So here also we have to find out the at least three solutions of each of the given linear equations. First, for x plus y equals to 10, let us assume that x is equals to 5. So when x equals to 5, the corresponding y value will become 5. When x equals to 8, the corresponding y value will become 2, and when we substitute x equals to 4, the corresponding y value will become 6. So this 5, 5, 8, 2, 4, 6 are the solutions of the first linear equation, two variable x plus y equals to 10. In the same way, we have to find out the three solutions for the second linear equation, x minus y equals to 4. If we take x equals to 0, then what we have, x equals to 0, y equal to minus 4. If x equals to 6, then y equals to 2, and if x equals to minus 1, then y equals to minus 5. So at least three solutions we have to calculate. We have to find it out for the linear equation, two variables for both the equations, and this must be done in the graph copy at the right side lining paper. Now we have to plot the graph. So x-axis horizontal line, vertical line, y-axis. First quadrant, both x and y will be positive. Second quadrant, x and y, x will be negative, y will be positive. In the third quadrant, x and y both will be negative, and in the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. Now we have to plot this point for the first equation, 5, 5. So what we have to do, we see in the graph x equals to 5 and y equals to 5. We plot a point. In the same way, rest of the 2 points 8, 2 and 4, 6 also must be plotted, 8, 2 and 4, 6. And when we plot these 3 points on the graph, these 3 points must be in straight line. We join these points and we draw a straight line. In the same way, we will plot the points for the second linear equation on the same graph. If both the graph lines intersect each other, that intersecting point x 7 and y equals to 3 is our solution of the given linear equations. So here the two graph lines will be intersecting. So this all we have to complete in the graph copy. Now first condition was, I explained you that a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then the graph lines will intersect. So here a1 1, a2 1, a1 by a2 1 by 1 1, b1 by b2 1 by minus 1, that is 1 is not equals to minus 1. So the first condition for the unique solution satisfied. That means the graph lines will intersect each other. Now comes to the second case. In second case, we take the equations 2x plus y equal to 10 and 2x plus y equals to 5. Here also, as in the first question, we have find out the three different solutions. Here also we will find it out the three different solutions of these two equations. X equals to 2, then y equal to 6 for the first one, x equals to 5, then y equal to 0, x equals to 3, then y equals to 4. In the same way, for the second linear equation also we will find out the three different solutions, and these points we will now plot it on the graph. When we plot it on the graph, these two graph lines will be parallel to each other. As we see here that 2 by 2 1, 1 by 1 1, and 10 by 5 is 2. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. So for this condition, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, there will be no solution and the two graph lines will be parallel to each other. That means they will never intersect, however far they are extended in the forward or the backward direction. So that is the second one. Now the third one, 4x minus 2y equals to 3 and 8x minus 4y equal to 6. In the same way as for the previous two questions I explained, for this question also we will find out the three different solutions of the each linear equation, and after getting the solution we will plot these points. When we plot these points, we will see that the graph line of the second linear equation will be completely overlapping on the graph line of the फर्स्ट लीनियर इक्वेशन. मतलब कहने का है कि पहली वाली जो इक्वेशन है और दूसरी वाली इक्वेशन दोनों का जो ग्राफ लाइन है, they are completely coincident lines, they are completely overlapping. It means that they are having a infinite many solutions. So these are the three different cases for the graph. For the first case, as I told that if the first condition is satisfied, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then the two graph lines will intersect and we will have a one common solution as a unique solution, and we can say that the system of the equations are consistent. For the second case, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then the two graph lines will be parallel to each other and the two given linear equations have no solution and the system is said to be inconsistent. Third case, all the three ratios a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Here 4 by 8 1 by 2, minus 2 by minus 4 1 by 2, 3 by 6 1 by 2. So all the three ratios in this problem are equal. So here the two graph lines will be coincident lines or completely overlapping. So we can say that these equations are having infinite many solutions and the system is said to be consistent. These are the three methods for plotting the graph. First you plot the graph of these three linear equations for intersecting, parallel and overlapping lines or coincident lines, and then further for practice I am giving you 7 problems related to graph. You have to solve in the graph copy these 7 questions. X plus 2y equal to 3, 4x plus 3y equals to 2. What you have to do, you have to first find out the three solutions of both the equations, and after finding out the solutions you have to plot the points and draw the straight lines perfectly. In the same way the second question, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and the 7th question. So please be accurate to complete. While drawing the graph, pencil must be sharp and x-axis, y-axis, origin, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, everything must be mentioned in the graph paper clearly. Thank you.